Okay, my name is Shaun Desmond, and you spell that ShaunDesmond. And yes, Desmond is a surname.
And your role with Anite?
I'm a regional sales manager covering Western Europe and Sub-Saharan Africa.
Great. So can you talk to us about the announcements from the show?
Yeah, the key announcement that we've made is our new product, Nemo CEM Observer, which is a handset-based product that passively monitors a customer's service in the background while they're going about their normal day-to-day use of their mobile phone and service.
Okay, great. And then how would that be used? Can you give some examples of what the use cases could be for this solution?
Yeah, well, if we think about the way that operators improve service from a customer-centric viewpoint, we have two ways of understanding that service, particularly bad service, because that's when customers really get agitated about the service that's being delivered to them. So we have a way that they can proactively test a network by going out and physically taking what I'd call heavy applications to test the network themselves, or they can get what's really quite anecdotal evidence from the customer about poor quality of service. What we do with Nemo CEM Observer is like the El Dorado. It's a hybrid of those two things, where what we do is we empower and include the user in the process of improving the network by giving them a handset that has an application on the back that passively monitors the service that they're getting. Why is that better than testing? Well, the user is actually going about their normal use of that service in the places and with the services that they're trying to use. What CEM Observer does is actually tracks that use and then delivers that information back up over the air to the operator so that they can look at that information and find out where those real problems are. The advantage of that is the user's bought into that process as well. They see a tangible improvement in the service and everyone goes away happy. It's a win-win situation. The more of those handsets that you can put out on the ground with those users, say in a campus environment with a company that has a lot of subscriptions with an operator, then the higher power, the more value you get out, because you get the increase in the number of examples of poor service that you can use.
That's great. So as a user, I'm going to get a higher level of service in return for allowing you to monitor my usage, correct?
That's the idea, because at the end of the day, the user wants to be able to use that service without problems. I think most of them are pragmatic that they are going to occur, but if you can use the user in improving that process, I think that they'll be happy with that approach.
Okay, great. Thank you for your time today.
You're welcome.